Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have sy, y square, sy, s square. This is about degree number 2. So that means homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So we change y into vx. This one we change by this one. So this one we have vs square. This one we have v square s square. This one we have vs square. Now we need to simplify s square, s square, s square, and s square for the both sides. So I will put this one go to the right. And then we divide both sides by negative 2v plus 1. So negative with negative, they cancel. Now we just have only 2v plus 3v square over 2v plus 1. About v, we put on the right. Now we do common denominator. Negative v multiplied by 2v and plus 1 in here. So we will have like this. Negative 2v square minus 3v square and 2v minus v. Now this one we put on the left, ds and s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we will have about ln of the absolute value of v square plus v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. Because if I do first derivative of this one, you got about this one in here. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into y over s. Next, we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 1, y equal to number 1. So we put the value in here to find the value of C. Ln number 1, you got about 0. This one, 1 over 1 square plus 1 over 1, this is about number 2. So C equal to Ln number 2. So we return back in here. Oh, sorry, in here. And we put Ln number 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.